Subscribe to Hirak Avenger and press on the bell icon so that you can get the latest business updates at the first. Hey guys, welcome to the fresh and first episode of Business Talks with Hirak Avenger. Well, in this video, we'll be talking about Bitcoins and the cryptocurrency exchange, and we'll see the upcoming trend of Bitcoins. So without wasting any time, let's hop into the video. But before we start, destroy the thumbs up button till it turns blue so that my videos can reach to more awesome people like you who wants to make money online. Again, in the May 2019, Bitcoin began at $4,000 and had got here near about $14,000. Nonetheless, the momentum couldn't be sustained, and there was a subsequent fall within the price of the Bitcoin. There has been indicator of the bull run within the first half of the 2020 in an anticipation of the upcoming halving of the occasions that is acting as a possible catalyst. What was the surprising nonetheless was the crash of the world's economic system and the speedy surge in the Bitcoin's cost post-pandemic. Bitcoin has been made a restoration from the summit halving drop and is exhibiting indicators of pushing increased evaluations. The price of the May 2019, we can see that there are a numerous number of variations like hash charge, Bitcoin's market dominance, and the correlations between the Bitcoins and the gold. These variations construct a case for the bulls. Bitcoin's hash charge is at $193.99 million months. In the past, it was 72.14 million. That was the extra Bitcoin has entered the cycle. Place price and hash charges are rising consequently, having cuts out much lesser environments friendly miners, and this having half has decreased its probability the most environmental friendly ones. This impacts the price of the Bitcoins on spot exchanges as mining exercise has a knock-on impact on the price. Miners don't discover it worthwhile to promote their cryptocurrencies for decreased cost, and these are those bringing liquidity to the most spots exchangers. The distinctions of the cost and pre-submit having its examined higher in the market cycles. Bitcoins has a 2 cycle, and although they don't seem to be periodic to another one, they correlate with the one another. Bitcoin's algorithm has hash charge have an effect on the technical cycles, and the numerous components have an effect on the pricing cycles. To look at the place Bitcoin within the present cycle and the delay relay drop 6 advice from the Wall Street cheat sheets. It's not all the time straightforward to foretell the place is a cycle, as 2 market cycles are by no means precisely the identical form and don't happen in the identical magnitude. So evaluating the price charts for the Bitcoins, but really 2017 and now may not be the one of the best ways. As an alternative, counting drops towards a numerous number of components on this market cycles is a greater strategy. The primary drop available in the market cycles pre-halving got here on February 25th, 2020, when the price was 9,593. The price additional drop by on March 16, 2020. hits $5,238, publishing how the narrative modified and momentum in the Bitcoin price evaluated the edition with small drops. Moreover, its overlap with the time when Grayscale raised only 900 million for crypto merchandise, and these funds are locked in until October 1st, 2020. This provides an assurance that one other important drop might may not be happen till the later 2020. Nonetheless, smaller drops are anticipated at this moment. The present market cycle may appear bullshit in a single look because the price drop are fewer and very smaller in magnitude in comparison with the summit of 2020 bull runs. Nonetheless, the Google search developments for bitcoins paints a distinct image. Search quantity for the Bitcoin was highest in the autumn of 2017 and early 2018. Nonetheless, it did not hit the peak summit yet, having in a 2020 the rise in the institutional curiosity and the retail shopping for has been stored the price security at a bullshit degree, and the minor capitulations has hit historic market bottoms. This indicated a bullish development in the long run. Digging into the market knowledge and developing developments lead us to the above conclusions. Maintaining a tally of around Bitcoin's price and the BTC sell sides orders on a cryptocurrency exchanges is advisable within the quick run.